Hey, what's up, Tron coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? As you can see here, the Tron coin price is very badly decreased now from last 3 days. But I never expect this, and also, but urgently, you can see the Tron coin will starting pumping up. You can see here the last point. The candle is completely green. There is now you can see here a red candle. Absolutely, after a pump, you can see they will completely pump. So therefore, I'm really nice, my friends, to see this now. Feeling nice to see this now because you know why? When after a dump, absolutely coin will starting pumping up. So that's a really good, my friend, for all short-term investor, because when a coin will starting pumping up, absolutely, my friends, the coin is completely go to the moon, and the all credit goes to holders. All credit goes to holders. Yes, because if a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting investing more and more, then the market cap is increasing, and when a market cap is increasing, then change occurring is also positive. So therefore, my friend, as you can see here in last 24 hours, the price is totally moving upward after a very bad dump. So therefore, it's also possible, my friends, to in upcoming time they will give you 0.2 USD dollar, but 0.1 USD dollar just only they will hit now, my friend, in those days. So therefore, I am so happy to they will hit just only 0.1 USD dollar, but I hope it's 100% chance to in upcoming time Tron will hit now 0.2 USD dollar. But if they just only get a 5% profit, 5% profit is very important, my friends. So this is not hard, my friends, for Tron, but absolutely, my friends, they will need, my friends, to the holder are starting holding. If a holder are starting holding, then I hope they will easily hit this target. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.